André Derain was born June 10, 1880, died September 8, 1954, was a French artist, painter, sculptor, and co-founder of Fauvism with Henri Matisse. In 1898, while studying to be an engineer at the Académie Camillo, he attended painting classes under Eugene Carrier and there met Matisse. In 1900, he met and shared a studio with Maurice de Vlaminck, and together they began to paint scenes in the neighborhood. But this was interrupted by military service at Commercy from September 1901 to 1904. Following his release from service, Matisse persuaded Derain's parents to allow him to abandon his engineering career and devote himself solely to painting. Subsequently, Derain attended the Académie Julian,